guys, it's Mel here. Welcome back. And today's video, I'm going to do this really fun look. So it's kind of like a punk rocker look. It was for a theme party. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm just going to throw this headband to hold my hair back. So yeah, it's a theme party for high school stereotypes, and I was going as a skater girl. So this look is amazing. I am obsessed with it, so happy how it turned out. So here I'm just taping my eyes. I'm actually going to do my eyes first for once because we're going to do a really bold look, and I want that winged out shape with the eyeshadow, so that's why I taped. Now I'm just priming my eyes with the Too Faced Insurance eyelid primer. And then I'm going to go over with concealer just to set everything and to give a base for our look. You can use any concealer. This is just the Morphe concealer. And for today's look, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. Love this palette. So I'm just going to go in with this light shade just to set everything. You don't have to do this. The first color I'm going to go in with for like our transition and crease color is called Buns. This is a really pretty shade. Just using a big fluffy brush. And you can be messy here since we have the tape. You can see I'm really dragging it out further than my eye to give that elongated wing shape, since we're going for like a rocker look. And then next I am gonna go in with this really pretty shade. This is called Jax. This shade is so pretty. I'm being more precise and taking it a little lower. Still in the crease, but a little lower than that first shade. Again, dragging it all the way out to the tape. Next, for our corner shade, I'm going to use the shade Chip. I'm going to put it on the outer corner and drag it a little bit on the crease, using a smaller, more precise brush. Here I'm just blending it out a little, just so there's no harsh lines with my first brush. So for the lid color, I'm going to go in with this really pretty shade called Crayon Apple. It is really, really pretty. These colors are also great for fall right now, so even if you want to do this look, you can even use this look for fall, even though it's like a more dramatic look. It's great. And I'm just blending that corner shade in again, the chip color, just so it's all even. And you get a nice fade. And I'm just blending some more. And now we're gonna do the fun part and remove the tape. That's where the magic happens. I know it still looks messy, but once you put all your makeup together and a brows on, it all comes together. So I'm gonna prime my face with this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Serum. This is just gonna add some moisture and it's supposed to help with the pores. And then for my T-zone, I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. Mattifying Putty, just to help my pores out a little bit more. This smooths everything out as well. And my always go-to Ollie Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And I'm just gonna spray my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And for today's foundation, I am using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And I am using the shade 4N1 Shell Beige. This is a pretty good match for me. This is the first time I use this foundation, and I am in love. This foundation is super full coverage, but does not make you look flat or anything. I love this. It lasts all night. I looked amazing in photos. My skin looks so smooth. I was so impressed. And I don't know why my camera cut out, but it was recording but didn't get where I put concealer. I just used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And now I am just adding cream contour with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. And I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier loose translucent setting powder. This has been my go-to for a full coverage look. Everything stays great and smooth, and it helps my makeup stay all night. And I'm gonna use the Tarte Princess Park Avenue palette, I believe. And I'm just gonna set my contour, and then bronze my face. This has been my favorite palette. If you can get your hands on this, you should do it. I'm also gonna contour my nose. And I'm just going to add a little bit more bronzer with the shimmer shades. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Smashbox Trio in Coral, and I'm going to use this shade called Rich Coral for my cheeks. For my highlight, I'm using this little mini Artist Contour highlighter in Cocoa Bling. This is mini, but oh my gosh, I love this highlighter. It's like a white highlighter, but it's so beautiful. I love the Artist Contour loose highlighters. Get your hands on them. They're amazing. And here I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, voila. And now we're gonna finish the eyes with the underneath. Going back in with that palette and using all those same shades, going in with Buns, and then Jacks, and then the outer corner with Chip. So kind of just like we did with the top shades, going from lightest to darkest, and just connecting that. And then to make my lid pop a little more, I use this ColourPop Super Shock shadow in the color Arrow. This is just like the crayon apple color. It just was a little more sparkly, so I put it right where we put that lid shade just to make it pop a little bit more. It's really pretty. I also drug this onto the inner corner like I am now. Instead of highlighting the inner corner, I just wanted something a little more dramatic. I thought this was fun. And for my brow bone shade, I am mixing these two shades, Silk Cream, no, in Light and Beam, sorry. Mixing them too, in Light and Beam, and just highlighting the brow bone. And now I'm just gonna do winged eyeliner. I have a really hard time doing winged eyeliner, so just bear with me. But this look wouldn't be complete without a nice dramatic wing. And then I took any black pencil eyeliner and just put it in my waterline. And now I'm setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It's a must. And I'm just adding mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is pretty nice. It elongates your lashes and is super black. And then I am just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara for the lower lashes. We're almost done. Just gotta do the lips. So this is the look so far. I'm so happy how it turned out. So before we do the lips, I like to prep it with a sugar scrub. This is just by Maybelline. It's just a sugar scrub to get all that dead skin off. Now the lip liner I'm going in with is by Urban Decay. It's their 24/7 lip liners in the shade Blackmail. I tried to be really careful with this since it was pretty dark, but these lip liners are very smooth, glide on, they're amazing. And then for the ombre lip look, I'm gonna go in with the lipstick by Bite. This is in the shade Chai. It's a little bit lighter, and these two mixed together make a really pretty ombre lip. All right, guys, so here's the completed look. So happy how it turned out. This is like one of my favorite looks, makes my eyes pop. This is super cool, perfect for rock concerts, perfect for fall, anything you want. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.